Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on privacy settings here. Then it's going to take you to next CPU. Just switch in here to open with you. So then here it's going to show for you like this here. It's going to show for you like this. You scrolling down here until you will find here sync address book contacts. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.